going on behind these walls? Tonight on Action News 5 at 10. Mission to shut down Fight Club. Tonight on Action News 5 at 10. High School Nip Tuck. Tonight on Action News 5 at 10. I Survived. Tonight on Action News 5 at 10. Investigates Hoarders. Tonight on Action News 5 at 10. A deadly girls' night out. Tonight on Action News 5 at 10.
Thank you, Mid-South, for your great gifts to the Action News 5 Holiday Food Drive.
There's only one. When it comes to breaking news, there is only one. One station, one news chopper in the Mid-South. Only one place to see this. Action News 5. That's because Action News 5 is the only local station with a news chopper. So while channels 3, 13, and 24 are sitting in traffic missing breaking news, Action News 5 takes you there first, covering the big stories. Breaking news from Chopper 5, the only news chopper in the Mid-South. There's only one. Technology, power, safety. The Action News 5 Storm Tracking Team. Powered by 30 multi-core processors, over 50 gigs of lightning fast RAM, and 1 million watts of crystal clear storm tracking power. All constantly updated with the newest technology. The best television radar in the Mid-South just keeps getting better. Why do we have all this technology and power? To keep you safe in severe weather. Chief Meteorologist Dave Brown of the Action News 5 Storm Tracking Team. We track storms. It's the Action News 5 Weather Roadshow. We're taking the Action News 5 Storm Tracking Team on the road. Learn how to keep your family safe in severe weather. Get a free t-shirt. And someone will win this limited edition Action News 5 Storm Tracker jacket. Come see us Tuesday from 5 to 7 at the M.R. Davis Public Library, 8554 Northwest Drive in South Haven. Meet and greet at 5 with presentation at 6:30. We'll see you at the Action News 5 Weather Roadshow.
I believe he was coming back to kill both of us.
An Action News 5 exclusive. Jailhouse letters from the two women prosecutors say helped madman Adam Mays destroy a Mid-South family.
I should have listened to you when you said there was something about him you did not like.
For the first time, Teresa and Mary Mays on the monster they called husband and son.
He had threatened to kill them both.
Explosive revelations only Janice Broach could uncover. Revelation, the Mays letters. Thursday on Action News 5 at 10. Don't let high gas prices get you down. Keep it moving in the Action News 5 Free Gas for a Year contest. Watch Action News 5 at 6 a.m. and 10 p.m. for the cue to call. The fifth caller in each newscast wins free gas for a month. An entry for the grand prize drawing. Someone will win free gas for a year. So, keep it moving in the Action News 5 Free Gas for a Year contest.